My name's Paul Gregory. I work for Home Theatre in Manchester and I am the sound supervisor here. The first live thing we did in here was live music. Our technical director came in and he said, "Paul, what have you done in here?" I said, "Well, it's live music. This is what the whole thing's about." And so plans were hatched and land was acquired and the development process began. During that time, the Library Theatre being homeless, we did some shows at the Lowry. We did some site-specific shows in old mill buildings, etc. around Manchester, which is where I first became aware of EM Acoustics. I'd never really heard of them before. We had a sound designer who specified a whole load of it for a very big installation in one of the old mills in the Northern Quarter. We were using two of the galleries, which were 60 metres by 20 metres wide, massive spaces. And we hired dozens of EM acoustic boxes. And it was all new to me and I was bowled over by it. In Theatre 1, we have EM 121s. In the upper level, we've got some 81s, EMS 81s for the upper circle delays. And then for the circle and the stall delays, we have EM 51s. We've recently purchased some 218s, which are the 2x18 boxes at this level, at the stalls level. And then at the upper circle level, we've got some EMS 18s on 1/8. Most of the amplification is MC², and we've done an incredibly broad spectrum of work here. Absolutely amazing. From live music, very loud dance music. Hoffe Schecter is a big fan of our theatre. The first time he was here, he came up to me and said, "I haven't heard a theatre sound this good for years." Which is, for me, was a fantastic thing to hear. Because you always, when it's a new building and you've kind of put your trust in the system and you've really fought for what you want, it's great to have that come back to you and say, this is an amazing system. It sounds fantastic in here. We've done sort of semi-musical theatre. We've done dance, again, which is the Hoffe Schecter connection, and other dance companies. And he is really loud, I mean, really loud. And we've been able to do that with what we have. I'm very, very pleased with it, very pleased with it. I'm very proud of the system. And the reaction we've had from engineers, they always come in and say, "Can I have access to the EQing on the system?" And I say, there's no EQing. There's the crossover filters and that's it. Oh, really? So they have a listen to it and go, okay,